The Narcotics Control Bureau has issued summons to actor Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan. We're also told there are several others in Bollywood who've now been summoned by the NCB. This after their names surfaced in a WhatsApp chat between alleged drug dealers and the manager of a company. This manager also managed some big Bollywood A-listers. What we're also being told that Rakul Preet and Simon Khambata have also been summoned by the NCB. So let's take this date-wise. Deepika Padukone has been summoned by the NCB to appear on the 25th of September. That's on Friday. Rakul Preet has been summoned tomorrow. Simon Khambata, Sara Ali Khan and Shraddha Kapoor are to appear on the 26th. That's Saturday. The actors were summoned after their names surfaced allegedly in a drug chat which was being probed by the NCB. I quickly now want to cut across to India Today's Vidya and Divesh, who join us with the latest on this story. Divesh, let's talk about actor Deepika Padukone first. She's apparently in Goa. Is she already en route Mumbai? We believe she was in touch with her legal team. Have they responded to these summons issued by the NCB?
Gaurav, as of now, Deepika hasn't responded to the summons, but the summons clearly state that Deepika has to appear before the agency and join investigation by 25th of June. So she has to join investigation and her statement will be recorded, specifically regarding her chat messages, which clearly state that she was asking for banned narcotic substances from Karishma Anand, who's an employee of Kwan Entertainment and Talent Management Agency, the agency, one of the leading agencies, which also handles Deepika Padukone and some A-listers like Ranbir Kapoor as well. So she'll be specifically questioned regarding this particular chat, and also going further, NCB officials will question her regarding her consumption, if she was regularly consuming this particular banned narcotic drug, who all were her suppliers. Was it only Karishma Anand or there were others as well? Were there any other peddlers whom she was in touch with? Was she also providing this drug to someone else other than consuming it herself, or was it she only getting it for her personal consumption? What was the amount that she would consume? And several other
stay with me for a moment.
She'll be quizzed.
Fair enough. Let me quickly also bring in Vidya into this conversation. Vidya, how is the Narcotics Control Bureau responding to criticism that this is a witch hunt, especially against those who may have been critical of the government at some point or the other?
Well, and Narcotic Control Bureau has been working on a strategy. It's not way off the record that, they have been stating very clearly that they are here to find out the entire drug syndicate. Even though Riya Chakravarti, who was earlier arrested in the Sushant Singh Rajput's connection, she very clearly says that this is a witch hunt and that this entire case against her does not really stand for the sheer fact that she is not part of any syndicate and that she had procured it only for Sushant. However, the NCB believes that there is a wider network of drug suppliers, drug procurers who are working and supplying. It has been, everyone knows that drugs are prevalent in Bollywood. It's an open secret that everyone's been talking about, but no one really knew who were the suppliers, who were the people who were getting it to the big ones. And that is the reason why this NCB investigation is certainly of quite importance, and that's one of the reasons why these actors who have been called will have to join the investigation as and when they have.
Fair enough, Divesh. It's not just Deepika Padukone, she's an A-lister. Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, how have they responded, if at all, either themselves or through their legal team? Because in the public domain, it's so far only actor Dia Mirza who's come out and said that it's a witch hunt. She's never consumed drugs. She's willing to undergo any investigation.
Well, Dia Mirza has not really been summoned as yet, and that's one of the reasons why the people who have really been summoned are not the ones who are talking. If you look at the entire, the social media accounts of all these people who have been summoned by, the NCB, they have kept mum. They are actually consulting. In fact, I've been trying to get through to the lawyer of Deepika Padukone for the last almost 2 days, and he's just refusing to pick up or even, take the call and reply. So certainly there are conversations happening between the lawyer of Deepika Padukone and the actor herself. But at this point, they're not really revealing the cards. They're waiting for the entire, the allegations to really come through. And you have to remember, Gaurav, that she had actually gone on shoot earlier. It's not because she got to know that she was being blamed for something and then she's gone out to shoot. It had already been scheduled, and that is the reason why she does have a valid reason if she does not join the investigation immediately.
Fair enough. Vidya, for the moment, many thanks. Divesh, do the NCB sleuths have anything more than WhatsApp chats as of now? Do they have any corroborative evidence? Do they have anything to substantiate all the claims that are being made in these WhatsApp chats?
Gaurav, this is a very valid question, because the whole theory right now, people and also in media circles, it is being said that NCB is probing this only on the basis of WhatsApp chats. Yes, it is true. They indeed launched this investigation or initiated this investigation on basis of disclosure of WhatsApp chats of Riya Chakrabarti made by Enforcement Directorate. But now they are armed with testimonies of witnesses, testimonies of people who claim to have witnessed these actresses and actors consuming drugs. Remember, the boatman who ferried Shraddha Kapoor, the boatman also ferried Sara Ali Khan on two different occasions. Both the actresses had attended parties at Sushant Singh Rajput farmhouse in Pavna, Lonavala, and they were visiting an island which was located nearby, where, according to the boatman, parties where drugs were consumed were held or hosted by Sushant Singh Rajput and Sara Ali Khan, along with Shraddha Kapoor. Again, on different occasions.
What about corroborative evidence? This is just he said, she said. Will it stand the scrutiny in a court of law remains the big question. But Divesh, keep tracking that story. It's a very, very important story. Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, Sara Ali Khan, all of them are huge stars and role models for the next generation, and truth must prevail. Divesh and Vidya, for the moment, many thanks. I now want to shift focus to...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.